Well, hello there. Welcome to my channel. Today it's late in the day and it's minus 19 degrees Celsius, as you can see. I decided to do a little walk, a little hike with my backpack and cook up some noodles, set up a little tarp shelter there, keep the snow away from me. So follow along. Hope you have fun. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It'll be appreciated. This looks like a good place to set up a little camp. I'm gonna get out my tarp and set it up maybe between these two trees here, make it something warm because it's really cold today. It was snowing a bit earlier. Now it's stopped, but it's gonna get dark soon also. So this is my trusted Coleman stove. I showed it in other videos previously. It's a Coleman Feather 400. It's a stove that I have for about maybe 25 years now. Very trusted stove. Works on white gas, naphtha, and it's very good for the winter time because it's got this little tube here. So I already explained in my previous video. If you haven't seen it already, basically you fill it up with white gas, pump it to build pressure inside, and then open this valve. The gas is going to go through across the burner and in through the bottom, right? So when you light it up, all the gas is passing through the tube, gets warmed up, and thereby gasifying the gas and making it easier to burn in cold temperatures. All right. So today we're gonna have these ramen noodles. Actually, you can pick them up anywhere. Kimchi noodles from any supermarket. So guys, I finished my my little meal here, and just gonna enjoy this right now. And then I'm gonna continue on my hike. It's getting dark, so I don't really want to stay here in the dark. I'm not planning to camp out for the night. Okay. Okay, so the meal's over. I'm gonna clean up. When you're in the winter, you got no place to clean. Just get some snow, and the snow, it's a good cleaner. Maybe some, get a bush, a piece of fur, and just until you can wash it later, just you know, roughly clean out all the big stuff. Let's see, not too bad. All right, so I'm gonna pack up now and get ready to go. All right, so it's there's a nice little break there from my hike, and now we're just gonna go back to the car and home. There's not much sunlight left. Yeah, and it's getting a bit colder too. I'm gonna just call it a day and get back to the car. All right. Okay. Okay guys, so this is the end of this trip. So I hope you liked it. If you do and you like this type of content, want to see some more of my videos, and you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe and hit the little bell down below so you can get notifications of any new videos I put out. So yeah, it was a nice little outing, just a day outing. As you can see, I said it before, it got dark, so I really can't do too much more in the dark, especially with, like a lot of you guys, I'm filming with a GoPro, and GoPros don't work too well at night. So yeah, anyway, hope you liked it, and till next time, keep on camping, be safe, and have a good time. Bye.